What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading. It's Sunday evening. Thanks for hanging out with me. I got a fresh pot of Java. Some good research happening tonight. Some market analysis and some trading for the week up ahead coming up. Let's see what we got going on the main screen. Ooh. That's a nice car. That car goes 300 miles an hour. It's a Bugatti Chiron. I guess that's how you say it. But let's check out what we got going on. A couple things tonight I wanted to show you. One from the MOJO Day Trade room. Let's head on over there. Let me get to the right screen. That would be good, right? All right. There's the MOJO room. Tonight's comic strip. Son, it's time we talk about trading stocks. I learned from MOJO. What do you want to know, Pops? It's a good comic right there, folks. If you want other comic strips, I got hundreds of them on the MOJO Day Trading website. Absolutely. You can go to mojodaytrading.com. Show you how to navigate to that. And right across the top bar right there, you click More, and you go to Comics. And right there, you should have hundreds of comics. I like this one. I wonder if they'll take my sex coin. He's standing there checking out. I got a big old Woody. That was a comic strip from January 4th of 2018. Right there. So I want to show you on our YouTube right here. From the MOJO room. Just one little excerpt. So this is some of the swing picks, which we'll go through in a minute. I want to show you right here this one little video of Karen, Super Trader Karen, right here. I want to watch this one part from 6:10 to 8:03. How's everybody doing tonight on YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, Facebook? Thanks for watching me. Let's check out this video. Right here from 6:10 to 8:03. This lady made a lot of money.
The wonderful thing about it.
So what you want to do is you want to see who is successful and copy what they do. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I have that one. Who says that? That's, what's his name? Tony Robbins. That's what Tony says. Let me see if I have that one. I moved it. Anyway, he says to copy from people, so you should copy. Let's listen to what Karen says. She's made $50 million. So in trading, you go through cycles. You start, make a little money, think you're great, you get hooked, you lose your money, you come back, you make it, you get better, you lose it, you make it, you get better, you get better. But there comes a tipping point. Listen, it's not about charts. It's about price. Listen, my whole trading philosophy.
Really a 10-year overnight success. It took a lot of work. It took a lot of study. It took a lot of doing things incorrectly. But what that program did was it opened doors. It piqued my curiosity to want to learn more. I tried a whole variety of strategies. I thought I was going to be a real technical trader because I have an accounting and math background. So I had 12 or 14 charts I was following in technical analysis. And I did that for a few years. And had some successes and more failures than success, but I learned from the failures. That's the important thing, is not to give up, not to look at, oh, I failed.
You hear that, folks? We've all gone through the same things. She realized the tipping point from failures and paper trading.
This, I can't do this. No, what you've done has gotten closer to a success.
Hear that? Don't say you can't do this. You've gotten closer to the success once you failed and messed up. It's the truth, folks. The people that make it have that mentality.
Because every time I failed, I learned something that made me a better trader and a better trader and a better trader that got me where I am today.
So you were a little bit of a numbers junkie. I know before this. And then, so the business made sense to you, but putting it all together and learning how to make money, that was really difficult.
It was difficult, but if you persevere, it took a lot of time. I see people getting into this thinking it's going to be quick and easy, and it's not quick and easy. It's difficult. It takes time. You have to study it. It's like learning a craft. You have to know the ins and outs. You have to practice, paper trade, do whatever you have to do. Every time something goes wrong, analyze it. Why? What did I do wrong? What can I do better the next time? And it took years, but that built on itself and then built a real solid foundation.
Same thing I do when I teach the students in MOJO Day Trading. It takes patience. It's not a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. Day by day, compounding little by little bit, learning from your mistakes, analyzing them. Once you have something that works, capitalize on it. Be consistent with it. Make sure everybody else is in agreement with it.
So 2002, you opened your first account at Toss.
Yes.
And with $10,000, if I remember.
Yes.
$10,000. And so now I'm going to fast forward to 2007. 5 years. And this is Karen working.
So she's made a lot of money, folks. Lady made a lot of money. Listen to what she said. Patience, patience, patience. She failed, was closer to her success, found what worked. It wasn't about charts. It was about price and volume and moving away from the stocks to the indexes. And listen, that's a great video that she has right there. And that's one of the things that's in my classes, part of that video, and learning from the best in the industry. It's just 1, 2, 3, man. You just got to follow that. All right, so let me show you a couple things that happened in the room here.
I mean, I'm assuming you were a seminar junkie too.
I was talking to these people. Let me show you some of the guys I'm talking to. All right. Hi, and welcome to the MOJO Day Trading Room. Are you interested in day trading with swing? He only day trades, mate. I've been asking him how long he's been day trading, about 4 years. He asked me, I've been day trading for 25 years. We have the MOJO Day Trading chat room, which is open 24 hours a day. Live trading will start tomorrow morning, folks. Live trading will start tomorrow morning. That banner got removed. Everything gets moved. I move folders on images and then they don't show up. Let me just put this image back in. So I had it. There we go. So this is the MOJO Day Trading chat room and the perfect trading system. It's all about the Heinz trade play I'm going to speak about in depth right now, which takes place in day trading and swing trading. It's a system based on whole numbers and algorithms. I call it the perfect trading system. right here, and we're going to get into the swing picks and show the same thing with this guy right here. I think he was more swing picks. Maybe it was Jermaine. Yeah, here's Jermaine. He said he's more of a swing trader. So I just said take a look at the last 4 newsletters, because a swing newsletter that's performing, MOJO Swing is performing. A newsletter that's a paid service should be results oriented, right? I think so. So TTOO was 94 cents. It was 305 in less than a month, a 221% winner. I'll show you that one, along with ACRS, 162% winner. DRRX, 115% winner. Roxy, a 74% winner. IFMK, 64%, 53%, and 50, all in a week. Here's the Google Drive. I gave them the newsletters to check out right there. Each one of these newsletters, August 11th, 18th, 25th, 1st, have all those picks in them. And let's check those out now. So the first one right here is the Swing Trade newsletter from August 11th. Let's click that. And let's open that up. So this is the newsletter. Right here. If you guys have any picks that you want to see or check out, just let me know. This is the newsletter right here. Hold on a second. It's not really loading. Okay. So here's the newsletter from August 11th. Write down the pick, and then you can see where they're at right now. So if you were in the newsletter on August 11th, you got that pick. You ready? First pick after the comic strip. Follow the best, and if you come close, you'll do very well. Exactly. Copy me, man. I did the research. Same way I have newsletters out tonight with 8 picks. 4 picks are already out and 4 triggers. TTOO at 94 cents, called T2 Biosystems. Here's the pick, 94 cents. I told everybody, if lower, don't add. We're stopping out at 87, but if higher, we're going to add into $1. And this TTOO right now is $3.05. Let's do a search on FinViz, shall we? I'll do a little quick pull-up of the chart, and I'll show you where it is. Check it out. So here's the chart on TTOO right here. It's right now at $2.88, has been as high as about 3 right there. You can see E-Trade doing a little advertising down there. At least it ain't my competitor, which it usually is. So you can see TTOO is $2.88 from the original pick right there in the newsletter. You see it right there, 94 cents, date August 11th. Next one was ACRS at 90 cents. ACRS on August 11th. Let's check it out. ACRS went to $1 and change. It's too small to see, but it went through to $1, big time move. And that's ACRS and INWK at 450. INWK is 430, but last week was up to 5 and change. So that's those three from the August 11th newsletter. Now let's check out the following week. Oh, I got someone in the stock wheel talking to me. So the following week was August 18th newsletter. Pull that up from my desktop. And we'll go through the picks on that one. Here's the August 18th newsletter. Pages 1 of 13. The swing trade newsletter on August 18th. There were 3 picks. This is the structure of the newsletter. Let's go through the picks, my analysis for the week. Google, buy our stock here and lose your shirt. Got to admire their honesty.
Well, yes.
Nice. Frontier Communications at 78 cents. FTR was the symbol. So far I'm 3 for 3. 78 cents. Just recently is at $1.05. Right here. FTR, $1.05, but was just recently up here at a much higher slide. Let's get into Yahoo so I could check out the more of an infinite number on the chart. FTR. Frontier, let's go back a month. It was right here at $1.16 from 78 cents. Not too bad. August 18th newsletter right there. Lower, stop, I'll let you know what to do. Add higher going into 90. Copen at $1.03. Blink charging, BLNK, and that was the rest of that newsletter. Those didn't do much. Let's go into more power due to time. So the next one is the August 25th newsletter, which is right here. So you banged out on August 25th 4 picks that you got in your newsletter, in your inbox to play for the week, and my analysis of what's going to happen. And the portfolio, the comic strip, I told you not to blow out the candles when the market's so high. OPTT at $1.93 added to the pick, cost us around $1.85, $1.87. Has a huge gap to fill right here, up to $16.20. Ocean Power Technologies. Up right now on OPTT. Show you where we have that right here. There's OPTT at $1.70. Can't show that one. If you saw it, congratulations. OPTT. Ocean Power Technologies. History of going big. RESN from 3 went to 350. ROX, ROX, was a huge winner at 70 cents. 3 days later, it was bought out for $1.26. Wendy's at 21 went right to 22.50. Awesome picks, awesome plays in the August 25th newsletter if you had gotten that one. Totally verified. ROX at 70 got bought out. ROX. Castle Brands. They got, people assume them, but they got bought out. Right there, $1.26. We got it at 70 cents. Thoughts on NTEC? Check that out for you, Mr. Aaron. That's up right there, spiking nicely on 2 million shares. Average volume, today's volume. Intel Pharma. See these guys right here? So much advertising, can't compete against these guys. Notorious. I refresh it, Warrior will come up. But yeah, let me check out that stock for you, bro. NTEC. Let me see if I got it in my database. If it's not in my database, I don't know. But let me check it out. It looks pretty good because of the volume. Let me open up my charts. This is my database. Here's my David's T. See that one, dude? You should have got to nail that David's T, bro. See? The David's T. Let me make sure I'm on the right page right here. Tweak. Yeah, so NTEC. Let's take a look for you. NTech. Yeah, it's in here. That's spiking up, filling in a gap right now, going from $1.40 to 96 to a loss of 47. I like it on 33.3 million shares, 8.3 million versus 2.4, 4 times the volume, filling in a gap. Looks really sweet. Buy it right here at $1.10 to 15. Goes over 20. She's going to 30. May test $1.50, and right there, it's a 35% move. What do you think about that, Aaron? I like it, bro. What do you think, man? Like that. What else we got there? We got a little, thanks for giving me that one. And looks strong, man. Looks strong. NTEC on the watch by Aaron, right off YouTube. So Castle Brands was sweet. Let's go to the next week. Show you what I saw on those charts and those picks. 9-1 newsletter. September 1st, showed him that one too. Said, dude, check out everything I do. And then when you do, you're done. You tell me if you want to join the newsletter, and I'll let you even watch my swing courses on how I put all that shizzle dizzle together. They'll love it. So here's the 9-1 newsletter right here. And the 9-1. Got right here. 4 picks on the 9-1 newsletter. Every Sunday night before the market goes out, there's all the last picks right here. See, Perion from 4 to 6, 85 cents to $1.20. Actually got readjusted to 94 because we added up from 85, went to 305. And then the 4 picks right here. This is a lot of little action. This is a huge cup and handle right there. It's got 67.1 million shares in the float. It's a good Heinz pick at $1.99 to go through Heinz, $2. That's an even number move through 2. If lower, we're adding up 168 to 72 stopping station, adding higher through 2 to 205, and adding a third time to 211, looking for a move to go through 2. Float 33.7 million, funds 17%, low risk of a dime after the scaling, reward 50 cents is a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio on PLG. And PLG right now hasn't even come into play. You could still get that one, still going to go, and I still like it. It's $1.62. It has a nice range of $1.60 to $1.80, a 20-cent range. So if it goes $1.80 range to 2, that's going to be the step higher range than 2 to 220. And I'm going to be ready for that move. And how did I know that? Because look, it's doing right here. Actually, there's no real information here. It's just a cup and handle on a 97 relative strength with a spike in volume. So we're just playing it in this gap right here. See it? 169, 164, 159, 150. Very solid across this whole base right in here, which I have a similar pick in tonight's that's almost very much like that. The next one was WTER, water, alkaline. I played this one since 2013. Here's another time I'm playing it. Coming up on volume, 29% last quarter on 8 million and then 10 million. They did a loss of 29, then a loss of 16 with increased earnings estimates. 41.3 million shares in the float, 6% owned by funds. Volume is increased from 966,000 to 405. I like it to crest as a base 192 and go crest 245. And right now, WTER is 192, and it went to 233 on September 10th. So it went from 199 to 233. It's back at 199. I would rebuy this one. There you go. But I have better ones that haven't, but I would rebuy that one. I may even check that out tomorrow and we go back into that WTR for the move back through 2. So that's a beauty. The one after that is MLSS at 94, also at a 99 relative strength. 2.3 million versus 1.9 versus 1.6, losing a 21 versus 7 versus 2, is growing at 300% with increased earnings estimates. Perfect shares and funds, 47.5 and 8%. 1 million in the volume versus 205, which is 5 times. It's just a matter of what day and time this stock's going to go up 200 or 300%. It's called Milestone Scientific to go through $1. And we added on for the second time on MLSS. It's right here. It's at 78 cents. And it looks to go retest that high right there at 94. It's got all the fundamentals of the biggest winners of all time. This is the system that I've honed my proprietary knowledge base of small cap stocks within the Market Smith Ken Slim system. And then you would have gotten and bought 500 to 1,000 shares of Rite Aid. You're like, dude, he picked Rite Aid. Okay, I like Rite Aid. I got those in my town, CVS and Rite Aid. And it's a candidate for a buyout. Okay, let's buy a little bit of that or even do some options on 53.8 million. And this stock went from 646 to 950. $9.50. And then the trigger picks all did good too. This one went C change from 232, moved into $3. All the same things. A loss of 4 cents to making 23 cents, 36.6 million on the float, 25% owned by funds on a breakout from 232, 98 relative strength, and it continued on 6 times the volume. So did Sonos, went through 15, where it's at right now. Sonos, Optinos at 766, went to $12. And that's these, Sonos, Optinos. Oh, I forgot to clean up that slide. That was a great newsletter. And then the one after that was all these picks. And yeah, that's all they were right from that newsletter. See what this guy's thoughts on anything. He's on the live stream. I already told you. I like it. I like it. I like it. This is incredible, man. I made more money in 1 hour than I used to make in a week trading with the MOJO Day Trading team in Pro Trader Mike. Cool, man. That's cool, dude. That is cool, man. Dude, we do day trading, swing trading, all of MOJO Day Trading. Told you, man, it's good stuff. 25 years been looking at those charts, studying the database, developing my own proprietary knowledge system for these picks, and they've been stellar, week after week for a long time. So that's my research, how I did it again for this week. Same thing if you watch from last week. Actually, if you go to, let's see, let's check out my website. Let me put it on the main page. Well, let's check out, I made money from DTEA. Swing picks have been amazing. Thank you, Mr. Steve-O. David's T. If you see tonight's newsletter, I have it as a trigger pick to go higher. I like it to add. It's an adding phase, Steve-O. Swing picks have been amazing. That's my guys on YouTube. I'll show you my chat viewer above my head. Let's see here. David's T was great. Swing picks have been amazing. I made money. What about PTI? I looked at PTI tonight. Plural stream was in the database. I looked at PTI, but I liked other ones better. Here was PTI. I looked at it tonight. Here. Show you. Here's the main screen. Here's PTI. It's in a base. It looks good, but not much growth from 160 to 50 to 47. Even though the last quarter was 5 million on a 432 increase, this one was down on. It's not really making any sense right now. A couple of the other ones in tonight's newsletter are similar to this that show much more incredible growth. That should be no way at this level down here, have a huge gap to fill, and may run incredible with a smaller float than this one has at 51.1 million on PTI. Now, if you want tonight's newsletter, you can go get it and subscribe on my website, MOJODayTrading.com, and below this video, I have information. Just go to my website, click right here. I'm going to give you you subscribe, you get the course on the knowledge base. 2 hours of teachings on the Ken Slim system. Click yes, I want to learn. You're going to get the system which retails the course for $14.97 right here. This is the course. You'll enroll. Once I get your enrollment, you'll be able to watch these 3 little courses right here, these 3 little sessions. Part 1, Part 2, and then another one. I have 2 of them. All for subscribing and getting tonight's 4 picks, which is much better than PTI for $149 a month. Click that. Right here, subscribe. Once I get your checkout, I'll enroll you in the newsletter. You'll get that with the 4 picks, and I'll send you the information, the link to log in for the course. Once I get your enrollment, I'll upload the course and you can start watching. This will be a tool that you'll have for the rest of your entire life that you will be able to use and be a master stock picker. Absolutely. I'm just going to shed my knowledge onto you in 1 hour. You're going to be like, aha, wow, holy crap. I can't believe this. I got it for free. Normally $1,497, but tonight you got it for free. All I have this database of 8,000 stocks that I pick from every week for the last 25 years, folks. 25 years sharing my knowledge with you. So let's see what we got now. What can let me show you that one pick in the newsletter tonight, just the one that looks like that one. Much better than PTI. I got 4 picks, my top 4. So if you want the 4 picks for tonight's newsletter, dudes, you better ask somebody how good these babies are. Steve says, if you haven't signed up, folks, it's so worth it. Honestly, the best around is Mike. Yep, Arthur Hines, what's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while. Would love to welcome you back to the Mojo room and give you the deal. So send me the email, you get tonight's newsletter. I'm going to show you that one pick. Here's tonight's comic strip, son. It's time we talk about trading stocks. Dad, I learned it all from Mojo. What do you want to know, Pops? What do you want to know, Pops? So tonight we got the top 4. I'll show you that pick. Oh my, I don't know if I should show it to you. I got the trigger picks. We're adding to Ocean Power Technologies. We already own it. It's adding on to a trigger pick to go through $2. I'll be adding. Look at the spike happening right now in the accumulation. Last spike was up to 1620, 5.8 million shares in the float, 5% owned by the mutual funds. This baby can really rock and roll. Holy mama. This thing has done it before, owned it so many times. Then I got this one. I don't know if I should show it to you, should I? So let me see what it is first. Yeah, this is, I'm adding on this one too. Let me just make sure. Yeah, this is David's too, at $1.92. We're going to add through 2 on that one too. 26.1 million in the float, 4% owned by mutual funds, and there's probably some mutual funds next week that are buying some more. Let me see what the one underneath. I got 4 trigger picks. This is also a previous swing pick, Biosep. So I'm not showing you anything new. This is all on the Google Drive, all been sent out, but now they're moving. 92 on 1.6 and 1.1 million versus 451. Stock go right through $1. So those are 3 trigger winners right there, but they're not new. We already own those. We're just going to add higher because we're already in, but you can tag along. Let me see this other one I got down here. This is yeah, I can't show you that one. How about this one? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll show you this one. All right. I'll show you this one. This is for your PTI that you gave me. I'll give you this one, CLSD. It's like popping that LSD, baby. Freak your brain right out. That's what Mojo's going to do with these picks. Prepare for the picks. All right, let's see what we got. It's called CLSD, baby. Clearside Medical. Peace. Biomedical. Check out this one instead of PTI. Let me blow it up a little bit. Dude. Loss of 269. Loss of 88. Loss of 47. Holy shizzle. This baby gonna fly, dude. Look at the gap it could fill. Base all along up to $1.90, rip up, make a huge bar spike. 291, no one even knows about it. Average volume's $1 million, trade 10 million. If this thing trades $1 million by 9:45, gonna trade 9 million on the day. The next day, gonna trade 42 million. Stock's gonna go like $5, dude. I picked it right here. Loss of 269, loss of 88, loss of 47. We know they're gonna be growing at well over 100%. A loss of 75, they already did a loss of 15. Next quarter, they also do another loss of 15 versus a loss of 75 is a 600% increase in earnings per share. That's huge.
Yeah. Yes.
Money in the bank. Dudes, telling you seeing this? Dudes, look. Are you seeing this? Huh? Oh, I see things you don't see. Oh, yeah. You see my 3 eyes, don't you? Oh, I wasn't supposed to show those tonight. Cover my 3. Holy mom, you saw. That's why I see so many things at one time. You know what I'm saying? Dudes. This is Clearside Medical. You got to take a little LSD to find these things. 37.8 million shares in the float, 15% owned by funds. They just did 100,000 in revenues versus nothing. So imagine if they go from a loss of 269 to a loss of 88 cents. That's a 300% increase, and then another 100% increase. Easy money. They deliver first-class drugs, dude, to restore people's lives and vision for people. LSD, baby. Clearside Medical. Telling you, man, this is the new therapy. They don't do that, but I'd like to see what they do. ClearsideBio.com. Let's check it out. ClearsideBio.com. Get your LSD at Clearside. Alrighty. Hope speaks.
Hi, I'm Hope.
Hope.
Help us see a world without blindness. Bold words, yet we're sincere.
Blind, no
We see
blindness.
something wonderful. But before we get ahead of ourselves, it is important that you understand the current approved treatments for many of the blinding diseases of the eye. Diseases that originate right here in the choroid and retina. Uveitis, retinal vein occlusion.
So they do eye stuff. Dude, eye stuff. That's one of the picks, dude. And it's not even a I just wanted to show you a better one, how it's much better. Low risk. See? Low risk, a nickel, 50-cent reward, 10 to 1. Dudes, this is the, oh, I showed you Pixie. All right, I'll show you. Here's another one. I'll show you another one. Look, a loss of 58 to a loss of 14, 36.2 million shares. Pixie dust. We've played it in the room before. They're growing from 13.2 million to 14.3, going up against 11.2. Give me a break. 49 cents on a mini Heinz roll. Unbelievable. 300% increase. Test the first circle of 76, then 85, then $1.35, then $1.84 through 2. Used to be an $11 number. Yeah. Yup. Been high, 36.2 million in the funds. Who knows? Some may be picking it up next week. You never know.
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Maybe yes, it's going up. We'll see. Who knows? Get the newsletter. These are the little ones. I'm not showing you the two above that. There's no way. But yeah, you can know about Pixie and the other one. But you want that newsletter? This happens every single week. Every week for the last 7 years. So if you think you're going to get in and it ain't going to work, you're out of your mind. Go to Swing Trading on MOJO Day Trading's website, right on the top, and scroll down after you read the description of the newsletter. How I'm sent it out on Sunday night. It's already out, folks. I already sent it to everyone. They're watching my video. Go into the archive. Watch these videos from years ago. This is the 11/14 newsletter. Look, this is the February newsletter from years ago, from 2016. Right here, this video. February 17th video recap of the Swing Trade newsletter. Right here. Going over the trades with everybody in the newsletter. So check out those vids right there. Bang. But more important than the videos, which just document everything, is this archive. Bam. Click it. You'll see the first newsletter that went out in December of 2012. AMD at $2.32 is now $30. Facebook was sent out to subscribers at $25.75, is $187. And my tech is at 10. If you go to January, the next link, it shows you all the picks in that newsletter. GMBT at 6 is at $260. This one is up huge. Merger. I put the today's price and the ROI expected, if you still had it back then, what it was. And these are all the picks. Names you've heard of many, many times before. Galena Biopharmaceutica, Gale, Array, Q-Core, the stock at 29 went to 100. That went to $100 a share. EVC tripled, went to 10. ZGNX at $1.43 is $41 right now, up 2,811%. Gale at $1.90 is $54.75, up 2,781%. INTL INVE at $1.50 is 5, 236. So many more. So many more. So many. LCI at 660. The stock went to 100. It went to 100. 660. That was one of the best picks. Amazingest picks. Let me show you that pick. The date I picked it. I just accessed the MOJO database. I go into LCI. I upload. I go in and check out right in the MOJO room. Here it is. Look. LCI on February. Okay, we were playing it in February. Right around the beginning of February, on the 7th. So right around, right up there. And it moved right up to 669. 35 million on a 600% increase, same shares, 28.4, 32%, going from 14 to 18 to 31. Increases, beautiful. Let me get rid of the chat viewer, you can see it. Bam, there you go, look, 14, 18, 31, increase estimates for 2 years, same as every other chart. Stock breaking out on big volume, right there, 316 versus 42,000, now it trades millions. Bam, stock went to 100 from 6 from there. And there it is, the pick, LCI at 660. Today's at 1395, but it's much higher. Look, Varinga, let's skip a couple. Let's go to July. You have on here ARCI, Appliance Recycling Centers at 223. ARCI is a huge stock in play right now, and I was buying it when no one even knew about it back in July of 2013. Back in July of 2013, ARCI is a tight big winner right now. Look, ARCI. Appliance Recycling Centers. This them now? Here they are. Is this them? ARCI. It's trading right now 78,000. This is not the one. Didn't it go up huge last week? This is it right here. Yeah, it went up to 684. It went up tight, huge, on big volume. What's the volume right there? Who knows? Went up big though. That was in 2013. Some other beauties. Audio Codes, AEDC, very common name right now. Ameren at $5 is 20, very common name right now. Support.com, I think I bought out. Dara, LXRX at 234 was last week's hot stock. I've been using this and buying this stock since 2013. LXRX last week. Huge. I'll show you LXRX. LXRX. Right here, Lexicon Pharmaceutical, $2.34. In the last 5 days, it made a big move from $1.37 to $2.34. That's in the swing, in the archive, in the Swing Trade newsletter. Some other really great names. Zone got bought out from 84 cents. That was one of my biggest picks. Zynga, look. Zynga's in the Pacific Ethanol, PEIX, common name right now. Common name right now. Let's go into the next year. We'll skip a year. October of 2014. Coupons.com, great company. Great Ken Slim stock. You could see these stocks are way up from where they were back in this time. iBio at $2. Glue at 4, went to 14. Ameren at 98 cents, folks. Stock's $20, man. 20 bucks. Nanoviscerides, GTAT, Unis, all these NIHD is very hot right now. NIHD, I saw it in my research tonight. NIHD, right here, $1.95. I saw it to go up possibly through 2, but I didn't put it in there. Some of my old oldies but goodies. Radnet, Ameren, Dara, Jivo at 36 cents is $3, man. JNUG, $4. Stock's 80. Let's skip a year. 2015, February. 2016 in February. GoPro. All right. You guys. Oh, a lot of Mankind. Twitter at $14 right down there on the bottom. Look at that. Twitter, $14. Bam. Look at that. Twitter did the covered calls also on it. It's like Chrome. Twitter's like Chrome now. In the future, it's going to be a great $40 stock because it's going to be adopted. Let's go to January of 2017. Dry ships at 2 is at 6. Myos Ren, Santander, BioScript, Blonder Tongue, Bioptics. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. PIRS, UVXY. I love looking at what the old NIHD, where it is at $1. Acre. There's tonight's pick right there at 50 cents again. Acre may make another move and repeat history. Why am I seeing this tonight? Because it's in tonight's newsletter. And Acre came back to the room, Bob. So maybe it's like Kismet. Bob came back to the room. I just saw it in this thing, old, and it's in the newsletter at 50 cents. Probably going to work. Acre. So again, you go to MOJO Day Trading right here. After you review the archive, you're like, dude, everything he said is so spot on. Freaking, where have I not been with this guy for 7 years? Getting these newsletters every Sunday night. Now he's offering a course with it where he teaches it in detail for free, and I don't have to pay for that. Where do I got to go sign up? Where do I got to go sign up? Oh, you go to subscribe right here. You just go swing trade newsletter, and oh, there's a little arrow. Okay, down there. Watch. Oh, it tells you everything. Watch the courses, subscribe to the newsletter, and what's this? If you get the combo pack, you join the combo pack, save big, get both courses absolutely free. $2,994 value add. How much is the combo pack? Ooh, I gotta put that. I should add that on there. The combo pack is $199, and what's the other one? $149. So for $199, am I reading that right? You're gonna get both courses, the day trading and the swing trading. You're going to get the day trade room and the swing trade newsletter. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. While that promotion's going on, I'd be jumping all over that. Peace, baby. Damn. Hope you guys learned a lot tonight, man. It's a pleasure. Rainy, what's up? A little bit late, yes. But a great recap to watch. A lot of edutainment. Education and entertainment. What I love to provide. You know what I'm saying? Peace! Look at that, baby. Oh, 13 likes tonight. Wow, nice. I like that. It's a good liking. Absolutely. Check out the MOJO room. All right, I'll show you the MOJO room. Someone wants to see the MOJO room. Right there. Look, there's Acre. See, dude, tonight's pick is all for you. Dedication. Dedicated, baby. Nice. Jessica back in the house. Proposed back. Pistol back in the house. Back in the house. Welcome back, baby. Who else came back, baby? Jessica, welcome back. Always coming back to the MOJO. Who else came back? Tonight. Say you need an avatar, brother. What else online? Sir Gallowix. Nice. That's 612 people offline right now. Let's see how many pro traders are offline. Gotta scroll down to the P's. The P page. There they are. Come on. Oh, Long Island John. I'm speaking to him. Let's see. There they are. Man. Pro Trader AC. That's a woman. Women do very, very well in the MOJO Day Trade room. Alan, Leo, Amon, Mr. Ant, lifetime member of MOJO Day Trading. Azol, Bailey, Bama, Banatine, Barry, Bill, Bohan, Brad, Brett, Callaway, Cash. She's a really, really good trader. So is Challenger and Charlie Brown. Chief, we miss you. Come on back. Christian, we miss you. Come on back. And Clay, Clifton, Clint, Cobb, Colin, one of the first members ever of MOJO Day Trading. Pro Trader Coop. Oh, my audio's coming in with some noise. Thank you, man. How's that, Randy? Is that better? Is that better? I think the gain was too high. Is that better? Let me know. Let me know. And then we got Deb, and Denny, and Derby, and DJ, and Dobie, Dontavius, and Dorman, and Dylan, and Ed, and Edwin. Edwin, come on back. We miss you. Famuch. See you tomorrow, Flyman, and Gary. And Gio's really good, and Bree. Portrait of Hawaii, lifetime member. Hopper, been with me lifetime. Hines, you seen him tonight, mentioned something. How's the audio coming in now, Amy? Let me know, because I want to make sure it's spot on for tomorrow. I want to readjust it up and down. Jordy and Julio and Jungle and Junior. Junior, come on back. We miss you there, buddy. He used to be with a light. He's doing his own thing, but lifetime member right there. I haven't seen him in a while. And Clopper, Chopper, I sent you a text earlier today. Lori, Man, Madron, Mara, Mouse, Orange Juice, Quads logged on last week, Raphael, Rainey. All right, cool, guys. I got you going on. How's that audio coming in now? Actually, not some interference. A little better. Some interference. Let's see. How's that? Is that even better? That should, a little bit of tweak should maybe take out the interference. That little bit of tweak. And then when I raise my voice, future's getting killed. Check it out. How's the voice coming in? We'll check out the futures right now. Down 164. It's going to be a UVXY kind of day, baby. UVXY kind of day. Make sure the settings on this thing are audio. How's that coming in? A little static? Little static? Shit. Really? What if I turn it all the way this way? What if I turn it all the way this way? That's even more. This actually should just be perfect. That actually should be perfect. Very little gain. That actually should be no static at all. No static at all. Dude, I want to get the mic perfect, dude. I want to get the mic perfect. How's it now? Still no freaking way. Is it much better? I'll even turn it down a little bit. You much better though? It's the game. That should actually be most perfect. That actually should be most perfect. Let me push it away from my face a little bit. That maybe is the ticket. I think the mic's been too close to my face. So if I'm talking in this direction, saying, yo, Rainey, you're the best. You're going to do amazing this week. It's going to be a record week for you, bro. You know that? How did that sound? Coming crisp and clear? Oh, yeah, right? David Bailey, hello, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while. Hope you've been following my picks. Picks have been phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal. Look at this. Okay, this is the swing channel. The comic strips are funny, I know that. But look, David's T on the gainers list, dude, on Friday. Look at this, David's T. There's the newsletter. Dude, nice pick, looking to roll for a few days higher. Sent on Thursday. I wanted to send you this newsletter, bro. Wanted to send you the newsletter. Entry at $1.70, risk a nickel, reward 50, can go push through 2. It pushed through 2, went to 215. Back at 193, looking really nice. Look at these 10 for 10. Optimus from 766 to 12. C change 255 to 305. Resonat, Wendy's. I went through all the picks, dude. Look, Tattoo, TTOO. Last Wednesday, the number one gainer on the NASDAQ, the Mojo Swing pick. The day before, WTER, gainer on the NASDAQ. I mean, it's like one after another. Rad buyout at 646. Here's Rad, 822. Next day went to 980. In rail grind, bro. In rail grind. A lot of static. Damn, I get excited. It's like the microphone might be bad. You know what? I'm going to switch. I'm going to switch. And then, let me switch. Audio. I'm going to move that away. And now I'm actually talking into this. Hat testing. How does that sound? Gerardo Tapia, what's up, bud? Haven't seen you in a while. How does that sound? How's this microphone sound? Better? Is this microphone better? Because otherwise, I don't know what it is. Let me try suppression. Very weird. Oh, it's perfect? No. No. Really? No. Really? No, this mic is perfect. No, I'm getting rid of that mic. That mic may be busted. This mic is perfect. Wow. Hi, Mike. I like this mic. It's the webcam. Wow. No way. It sounds great. Holy, the mic is fine when you're not too close to speaking directly into it. Okay. Screw that mic though, bro. I like this. I like the web. If you guys are saying it's coming in perfect, it doesn't have to stick in my face. I'm like, oh, much more freedom, man. I can stretch. I can move now. Holy shit, I can move now. Wow. Maybe making some more money now for the team. Oh shit, really? Damn. Oh, he busted my ass. Dude, I'll send you auto clips. Dude, you deserve some more picks. Come to the Mojo room, hook you back right up. Where you right here, you're the stock wolf. Make sure you connect to the where are you? There you are, stock wolfie. All right, make sure you connect to the you talk loudly, I can hear static. Yeah, I know, I get so freaking excited about it. Everybody with the Mojo and that, Rainey and Gerard, my guys, I haven't seen them. You know, they come on, I get all excited. These picks are so good, it's like, oh my gosh. Which one runs with oil? DWT, I don't know, whichever one starts up in the morning, Rainey. That's the one that runs. Stock Wolf. What I wanted to show you was this. When you come to the Mojo room, and maybe another audio channel is open. I don't know, but as long as it ain't staticky right now, bro, I'm happy. Dude, how come that picture ain't coming up in the Mojo room? UWT's crude oil, bro. Oil price is running like crazy. Let's check out the futures, man. Oil futures. Oh, yeah. It's gapped. Look at that. Holy crap. It went from 50. It's a good buy right now. It's at the bottom of the range. It's going to go back up and go test in the middle towards the top. Go to the 1 minute. It's going to go up from here. It's a good buy down here at the bottom. 60, 12. It's a good buy. Is this microphone really better, dude? I can't believe that. Better be fast, man. Better be good, dude. I can't believe it's better. You got to confirm one more time before I sign off because I'm going to use this mic tomorrow and I'm leery right now. So you just confirm it one more time. Let me play an intro, see if you can hear it good. All right. I guess I don't know what it is. Maybe move the mic back further. A little bit better. Sucks. You're still hearing static though. Gotcha. Yeah. I think it may be the XSplit broadcaster. My XSplit. Yeah, it's the XSplit. Yeah, maybe when I reset it, it'll be better. It is the XSplit broadcaster. That's what I use, XSplit broadcaster. See, right here. Open the settings, the audio. Threshold 5. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I saw, because it's not like this everything. Yeah. I was updating a lot of videos. See all those new intros I made all, and I was updating them, and I haven't reset it, so I think that's what it is. So people search for me, maybe I'll show up. But anyway, peace. I'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Later.